ChatGPT just released ChatGPT Images 2.0. As you can see, this is one of the best models that they have come out with, and it's really excellent when it comes to visuals. You could really properly see that it can generate all of these text images, keep very consistent characters, and also make sure that text which is written on an image is working excellent. Previously, this is not something which was happening, but right now you could see that it is working really perfectly. This is also, as I mentioned, a complete step change, and if you have to give detailed instructions, it really properly follows them all across. And it was just launched 3 minutes ago, so it's really early. We're just gonna go also in the platform and test it out. But just to mention, another thing which is great is the precision and the control. You could really see, you could go into details and mention exactly the grains. It can properly see all of these rice grains. And also, secondly, look at this text. The text is so clear. This is human text which is written by humans, and it captures it so properly and perfectly. So you could really specify what kind of text you want, put it on a paper, and it can create it perfectly. After that, creating passport pictures or creating passports or any documents fake is gonna become 100x easier. So that's one of the biggest things out there. Previously, if you followed this channel, you know that ChatGPT is not as good when it comes to creating really small amount of text on top of an image or on top of a graphic. But here it's working really good, and we are super excited about it. You could also see that it has stronger access through different languages. Previously, it was working really good with English, but right now you could see it's generating in Chinese, in Korean, all of these languages. Thirdly, it has a lot of realism to it. Previously, you could not get it so sophisticated, so realistic, but right now, as you can see, these images are extremely realistic. You could just look at it and see that everything here, except for the screens, obviously, are properly realistic. Also, we could just say that you can change aspect ratios if you want to specify exactly if you want to have 3 by 1, 1 by 3. It can easily specify this. As you can see, previously when you had to give measurements, AI was never understanding exactly if something has to be how long. So you can specify, hey, I want to create an image of a person and I want to have 3 by 1, 3 the height of the neck and their face 1. So you could just specify this and it captures this really properly. So this is really good. Also, you can see they mentioned that it's a visual thought printer. It's like first image and thinking capabilities, and it can just create these whole visual graphics. As you can see, they're looking really good. If you want to think about many things visually, you can use it really properly, because from text converting into images in proper detail is really easy for this. Also, ChatGPT, it has an updated knowledge cutoff. So previously, if you wanted to ask it about any information which was in early 2025, it was not that good, but now it has all of this information. The knowledge cutoff, according to them, is December 2025, which is just 4 months before today. So that's really excellent. It's really good for copywriting, and it can, analyze different compositions. So all of this is already in there. Then it's available to every person who is out there, and we're just gonna run a simple test and we're gonna see how it works. So right now, when I go into ChatGPT, I'm just gonna specify it and I'm gonna write it. And we should be able to see these images. 1 second. Okay, let's say create an image. Okay, we're just gonna create, yeah, create, let us try. Create an image of a paper which has in hand form written the following text. And now I'm going to take any text. Let's take any text from Wikipedia. We're going to take OpenAI, or we're just going to take Elon Musk. So let's see if it takes that text properly, and then we know if it is working correctly or if it is not correct. So I'm just going to capture this. I'm going to say put it on this text, and let's see. Okay, it should look handwritten. So let's see if it actually gathers this. So this is the new model. We'll be able to see properly if it gets all of this, and that's going to be really excellent. Just getting back, because it is generating right now. This is just like how you can just create so many stories just because we have got so many images like this. This is actually excellent. Okay. Now we're just gonna look at this consistency. I love it because you just have one character and it's consistent everywhere. So let's go take if it has created. Right now we can see it is still setting up the scene. So from here we could already see that it takes a bit of time. It's not as fast. Usually when we are creating things with Grok or previously with ChatGPT images, it was always working already. But it is taking some time. If I had to say, I'd say 20 seconds have already passed and the image generation is not complete. Usually you would see, for example, if you're generating with APIs and you have to generate hundreds of images, which we usually do in our company, this process can become really slow. So we have to make sure that we are not restricted there. And yeah, I'm gonna continue and play this video again because we are waiting live and it just came out 4 minutes ago. We're gonna be the first one to be bringing this out to you. Look at this consistent character. I like this. I think they've been doing really good. All of them. You just tell a whole story because it just got then he met Lucy and everything changed. I love it because it completely, you can just create complete stories with all these texts and images and with consistent character like this, and you can just create movies out of it and just cut them on every millisecond or second, and it's going to be so powerful. So yeah, this is excellent. Now we're going to go back and see if it has been done. Okay. Elon Musk is a business specimen and known for leader. Oh, this is excellent. This is perfect. Usually in previous chat GPTs, we'd never see where it could take every word so properly, and it is taking it right now properly. We're just going to go back to Wikipedia to see if it was exactly like that. Elon is a businessman and entrepreneur. Okay, it also took all of this. Did it take the date 1971? All of these in proper is really special. Also became an American citizen in 2002. Oh wow, so it captured even everything. So it made sure that everything is working properly, perfectly. So this is excellent. Or test with ChatGPT Images 2.0 has passed really good. I feel like it's one of the best models for images out there. And we're going to start creating so many things with it because you can do storytelling with it. We create a lot of videos at our company, but now we could just use a lot of different images, generating images, and then having consistent characters, and then coming up with really good storytelling with it. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you liked it, like and subscribe.